Okay, so today's job, we need to replace this old D10 gate motor with the new D10 SMART, and yeah, at the moment it's fed via batteries. So inside here, you can see there's the battery unit, but we're having an issue with the charger. So what happens is the charger's up to about 80%, and then for some reason it just dies out, and then yeah, these batteries end up draining. So like every second day, this gate motor, you know, we have to come and reset it and yeah, try and make a plan in the battery. So we're gonna remove this whole system, just put 230 straight to the new motor with two 8 amp hour gel batteries, and then yeah, we take it from there. Hope you guys do enjoy the video, and stay tuned for more. Battery flat again. Yeah, but it's surely it's another day in paradise. Let's just cut some of these cable ties. So yeah, the hardest part is going to be to try and get all of these wires now into the new motor, because most of the stuff's not working. You can see these wires that are pulled out, so I'm just going to do what I can. Okay, so this is the push button and trigger. So that's our push button eliminated. We know what's the receiver. Then these boy keys, there they go. Okay, so I have no clue where this is going. It goes in the ground. Could be feeding the keypad on the outside, or the beams. So green. It's green. Yeah, this is beams. Safety close. Brown. Blue is safe color. Okay, so we can eliminate the beams. Beam supply. That's the wizard. Okay, now the keypad. That's wireless. This guy goes through. Comes through there. Okay, so this was fed via battery before, DC, so we're going to remove it now and energize with 230. No, I'm saying the batteries, you said they're disconnected, eh?
Yeah, cool. Completely, there's nothing on here.
Okay, so we'll just use that cable later, then it's a 230 cable.
I'll put a plug on there so long ready.
Yeah, shot.
Yeah.
Just unplug it in. Wow, ever did this before? Yes. What a muppet.
Should I connect it straight or that?
What's that? Yeah, I think a joint will be better, eh, to be honest.
Yeah, because I've seen now that...
Because that plug comes out again. And
Extension lead in any case.
yeah, and I just do a straight connection. At least then there's not going to be an issue with it unplugging and, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't know where that's going either. What the fuck? What the hell are these people doing?
Okay, boy.
Yeah, how's it going? Been yourself? Cold, eh?
No. Not when I was born.
Yeah.
So it's broken down again.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a new one in.
Okay.
It's always giving issues, this old one.
I see. Okay, enjoy your day.
Hey, you too. Cheers, eh?
Come on, boys and girls.
Ja, nee. Okay, so looks like a 17. Tommy Tucker, is a 17 with you?
What the ratchet set with 13 on it though?
13. Sorry gents for my unorganized toolbox. It's my appy. Blame the apprentice. This is why a job takes us 2 days. We're looking for tools. One, yeah, man. That's definitely too big. What are you doing? By the way, we ended up using the 18. Still couldn't find that 17. I'm sure Thomas took it home. From what I can see, the base plate looks kind of sturdy, so we should be good, bro. Should be. Barbecue. Excuse me. Do you have the ratchet on you? That's on. So now we're gonna have to take off a piece of track. Okay. So just take off one track so that you can remove your motor. Okay. Should pop out. That is him. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. The moment you've been waiting for. Nice D10 SMART. Whatever. Look at that bad boy. Okay. First things first, let's strip this thing down to its base. Cut the PC board. Okay, that's going to be a lot easier to work with. Fits like a glove, bro.
Yeah?
Fits like a glove. Okay. Just make sure I'm not just straight. flat washer, then the spring washer, and then our nut. Same on the other side. Oh, come on. So YouTube, please, can you guys help us out? As you can see, we don't have the right tools for the trade. My app is stole half of it, so you can see I'm battling here. So please guys, like and subscribe so we can create more videos, but you know, hopefully next time we have the decent tools and we don't look like a bunch of muppets. Okay, so now the motor is semi-tight. We're just gonna run it across and see if the track bites nicely all the way. Otherwise we'll have to adjust the track. Looks like it's pulling out a bit, yeah. This guy's got a bit of a bend in it. Towards the end, yeah, it pulls out. Okay. One coming past. Let's adjust it a bit more. Okay. It's a lot better. I need a dollar. Dollar is what I need. If you guys don't support my video, I think I'm gonna be left with the only other option, which is OnlyFans. So yeah, please guys. Or should I say girls? Please girls. Okay, now it's time for the lock nuts. So luckily we didn't have to put a new base plate in. The existing base plate is nice and sturdy. So I'm glad about that. It's weird that they didn't take this cable through the back. Whoever did this install ish, I don't know. Even this cable is literally just lying here. Okay, so that's the beam. That's for the G remote. But I mean, I'm not happy with this. Let's see here. I guess I could just cable tie it. Out of practice. Okay. So we could potentially just feed him under. It shouldn't clash with anything. So we got all of these wires nasty. Yeah, let's get some cable ties. Okay, so that is all our essential cables. Now put it back together. Start with these two gents. This is your cover plate. Oh no. Oh no. I already see the issue. Yeah, I spoke too soon. You can actually bring for us some tongue here, Ali.
You're just taking one, eh?
Yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, unfortunately we had to grind the way off with the pole. Yeah, because this old base plate unfortunately didn't line up. So yeah, it's not the best, but we'll make a plan. We'll close it off and yeah, try and block off any water getting in there. Country road, take me home. Proper. Okay. Country boy. I'm gonna leave off that G remote. That thing, if they want to put it back in, they must get a new one. Not gonna be putting in old things in this manure. So. what you can do is just put this track back in. And so he screams, he's fast. Shot a dot. Okay, battery 1. Okay, that's for batteries. This is for earth. Okay. Yeah. So that happens when you work with gloves. Okay, so live, neutral, earth. So live on top, neutral, earth. Okay, rough, and then, only then, can we connect our batteries. So, black one goes to the red one, joking. Okay bro, can I ask you to please put on that supply for us so we can run this thing's limits. Okay. So now we've got to just wait for these cars and then we can use the Centurion app. Okay, so now that the gearbox is engaged, everything looks decent. We haven't connected the beams or anything yet. We can run the limits, so we need to use the Centurion app. There it says D10 SMART.
Please open the manual override for at least 2 seconds
Just disengage.
and then close it.
2 seconds. Close.
Add your numbering users under admins to skip authentication in future. Connected to D10 SMART.
Very good, very nice. Update.
Please note that you need to remain within range of the operator through all of the update stages.
Okay, so now it's just
Do
going to
not
update.
power down or disconnect from the operator. Starting stage 1.
Stage 1 load shedding. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, it shows now that the gate is partly closed. We need to obviously run the limits, but it says here RRBC blocked. That means obviously your beams. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings. Let me just look for it. It's been a while. So RR beams, you can see RRB closing. It says that it's on. Just put it off for now. Okay, if you go back now, there should no longer be that alert. Okay, so health is good. We got our supply coming in. The battery voltage is good. Set gate limits. Obviously, make sure that all your end stops are on. So there's an end stop at the end, end stop that side. Our sensors on the gate. Confirm. 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 Okay, start.
Finding end stop.
Should find the first end stop now in about 2 seconds. Okay.
Did the gate reach an end
So
stop?
if your gate stopped and it was where you wanted to stop, it's going to ask you to say yes. It's going to find the next one. A few hours later. Okay, so it found both end stops. It's just confirming now. You can see it's gonna close again. Hopefully this tractor doesn't try and race through you, no?
Did the gate reach an end stop?
There we go. If we look at the amperage, we're still good. Running beautiful. So let's make it R3. R1's already assigned, it says. Okay. Do you want to configure the run profile? No. Triggers, do you want to configure triggers? No, no, no. Finish. Okay, so before we move on to these other 3 cables, let's just test these beams. Make sure it works. It's clicking, so. What this cable is, I don't know. This could be for the keypad or something. So we'll just wire it in and see. So So the gate opens. Will you just walk across from me, please, buddy, once I close it? No, eh? Okay. Okay, so the beams are working. Perfect. So if you watch again, we'll trigger it. Okay, so now for the next thing, let's lock this thing so it's open. Okay, now we know this is the push button. And then the intercom, that should have juice. Yeah. Okay, well, let's see what this does then. This is orange is the common. So we've got another common here we could use. So we've got orange. The door is open. Okay, we got blue as a trigger. So let's pull on IO2. And then the green is PED. Yeah, it's probably them now at the fleet office there. Okay, settings, triggers. So we've got your triggers, assigned IO. We've got our trigger. It is blue. That'll be on IO2. Should actually be on IO1. Let's put the blue. If you check here, PED is IO2. Okay, very good, very nice. So yeah, we're gonna wire in Sherlow receiver. We said that the blue was the common. So yeah, if you check. Okay, so that's pretty much everything done. All our connections are in, keypads are in, gate is working.
Auto close activated.
The auto close system is working well. So we've made it that after 15 seconds pretty much the gate will automatically close, provided there's nothing blocking the beams. And yeah, let's just show you the keypad and everything's working. So here's the keypad. Obviously I can't show you guys the pin. It opens up. And here's the push button. So push button is also wired in. You can operate him. And then we also installed a little Sherlow receiver for people that don't have the Centurion remotes. At least they can still use their Sherlow remotes and whatnot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.